I'm here. I know there's people around me. Rolling. Oh yeah, well I'm here. I say I'm excited to get my shirt. I can't really mention it enough. Go to this paypal.me/Cheryl for 25 or more requests for the shirt, and I got this new one coming with the flag, so it's patriotic. And the whole reason why I'm here at the Getty Villa, just mosey on down a little bit as the ocean is down there. So don't mind me. Probably just gonna chit chat with you. When I say with you, probably just me.
Perfect.
Yeah, and Bill, of course. Bill is my guide, so he's saying this is the HEN. To me, it looks like if you do a quick pan, look down there. It's like a big walk. Everything is a walk. See, it looks just like this walk, except for a gigantic. I know. You don't want to be goofy because this is like supposed to be modeled. The villa is Getty. Paul, what was he? Was you saying that he was an oil man and he had lots of money, so he built this beautiful. If we just pan up a little bit, you see this. Oh, look at that! And then you go there. We're doing quick. This is all this people. Oh my God! I'm like tripping and everything. But I am just really happy somebody else is holding a camera for me. Yeah, so I'll do whatever. And we're gonna just go down there and we're gonna shout up there, Caesar! I guess so. We are at the end of the HEN and we got a little bit of, see, this is what the Roman tradition, let's see what the sign says. It's mint. I said it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna give it a try. I know it sounds like I'm so pretentious. Like I do eat this stuff in case there are people coming from behind me.
Exactly.
Except for this tastes like earthworm. It really does. You want to give it a try? You know, it's not very delicious. We'll see if there's something else that's worth sampling. So look, this is called the woolly yarrow. If you don't know what the woolly yarrow is, it's what it is. It looks like the dandelions, and I can imagine that it tastes like dandelion. That's why it's good to be Chinese, because we eat everything. We just pick it up on the ground, and this is how we like to live. I can't wait until. Hey, you dropped my shirt there. But we'll go back and pick it up. Yeah. Yeah, just after that little bit of drama, we want to make sure we don't get busted. But just take a look. Oh, we're not gonna go pick anything. We just want to sniff it. I don't want to say anything bad about that plan, but I tell you what, even Chinese don't eat that. We won't touch it with the 10-foot pole. How is that? Ooh, look at what we got here. I stumbled onto a pond. So, Bill, if you can look down this pond here, of course, it's all natural, right? Right. Nothing is farm raised. No, this is exactly what farm raised is all about. See, look at this sucker here. Come on, come up and say hi. Did you see that? He's saying hi. It's a he or she. Woo, hello. It's gonna bite me. Are you gonna eat this leaf? Yes, you are. Oh, it's delicious. Oh my God, look at how much. I can't believe it's eating my leaf. I just can't believe it. Hey, you. Come back here. That's my little lunch. I don't think he likes it. Did you see that? He just stole my lunch. Come back here. Yeah, you silly whippersnapper. You whippersnapper.
My dear, do not torture the fish.
Who's talking to me? See, I'm gonna give him a name. Here is my pet fish here. This look at this China darling, the goldfish. Look at that. He just said, give me a go. He goes like go. Look at this. At least I'm smiling, Cheryl and my shirt. So I'm getting the one with the flag, right? You're gonna buy one, Bill, right? And also, Aaron, you're gonna buy one, right? I know I got everybody else committed to it because I owe $295 for him to send it to me now. You better get it. But what are we doing? So we have to put a little bit of a flavor of some kind of a ancient sexual perversity. This woman, obviously.
It is not sex, it is art, but don't touch.
What do you What? I'm not touching. I'm just telling you that this is what I mean. The ancient perversion. This is probably the Helen of Troy. She's like, oh,
It's
are you
not
coming for my
perverted,
boobs?
it's art.
It's art. It's art. What kind of art is it? It's a perverted art. No, I would say, just come here to look at her face. She looks to me. She is frightened, but she's covering her private parts and her breast, so it's a natural reaction. She's like, "Who's there?" Like, somebody's intruding upon her shower. Really, that's it. Come on, Helen, take a break. You know, you're looking at that way. That's Caesar Augustus. Okay, now you can release the hand from your boob now. This is the next statue they don't have, but I'm just gonna have a picture taken. Might I have a picture taken?
Sure.
Also. Oh yeah, don't hold your breath. Me, I'm just curious. Okay, so I'm nobody. I'm just a FOB. Give me. Now, what is this? Like, what is that? Take a picture. Okay, it lasts longer. At least I learned that. So, what is this doing? I can't understand. So, don't tell me this booby gesture. There is like nothing fallacious.